Oops, snake.
Oh gosh, yeah, there he is. The joker's big.
Oh, he's striking too.
Is he? Got him. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
There she is.
Yeah,
Pretty cool, huh?
it is. Super tall.
Yeah, that's what kind of got my interest is them upper windows.
Oh, yeah.
I think they call it like a high top, but it's kind of got that look of the, like the 23 window Volkswagen
Yeah.
buses or whatever.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Somebody slung that one.
Yeah,
Or it'd still be sticking in there.
I don't know if they were shooting at it or if all those are rocks. Surely they were shooting at that thing.
Surely so. Yeah, because up higher above the windshield,
Oh,
you can
yeah.
see a bullet hole.
Oh, inline 6. Them little old motors sure did pull around a lot of weight back then, didn't they?
Did, yep.
Golly. Big old hole there.
Hope that's a rabbit hole, not a snake hole.
Well, she warned me that they had seen a cottonmouth go up underneath this. But there's a pond right there,
Right, yeah.
so they could be all over the place.
I'd rather be warned though than it just surprise us.
Yeah. Not a lot of cutout on this one. Mainly just tires sunk in the ground.
Right, yep.
At least all the side glass is good.
Yeah.
One hole there in the back. What is that? Bureau of Sport, Fisheries, and Wildlife. Wish there was a date on there.
Yeah. Tag shows 88, but I mean,
Oh,
that
yeah.
was back when they put stickers on them, so it's hard to say if that's...
So it was probably some kind of a, used as a wildlife bus, I guess. But it was yellow, so I'm thinking it was probably originally school.
Yeah, well, back in 88, kids were the wildlife.
Yeah, it's pretty good shape though. I mean, sheet metal wise. Still has a door on this side. Oh, that's full. Yeah,
Not completely full, because it's got bullet holes in it or something.
well, yeah, the only thing that kind of concerns me on this one is the scare of a snake being
Yeah.
underneath it. I don't think it'll be too bad getting it out.
Especially a cottonmouth.
Let's trim up this underbrush just so we can see a little better if one decides to greet us.
Yeah.
So today we're out in Detroit, Texas, which is really not that far from our hometown. We found this 1962 Ford high-top bus, which I'm going to call as a rare find. As you guys know, we love these old short school buses, milk trucks, cab overs, stuff like that. So when I found it on Marketplace, I knew it was right up our alley. Now this one don't have a whole lot of trees we're gonna have to cut up around it. My only concern is the previous owner had warned us that a cottonmouth had went up underneath it. So at this point, we're just gonna be as careful as we can to keep our eyes open for that while we try to rescue this thing and bring it back to the shop. Yeah, that thing's stuck in the ground pretty good on this side. And all the tires are off the bead.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to be able to see a little better.
And not have to worry about tripping over something.
Got a bad dent there, don't it? And I noticed, I guess that's the hood there. What's left of it.
Shovel hung in there.
Ouch. Yeah, Lee stepped right on that stuff. You want to see if we can get this barrel to roll or something? Walk it. Yeah, I can
Guess we have to come
knock
up
that down real quick. Oh, it's just stuck in the ground.
I think it's got something in it.
Yeah,
now.
it's got something in it.
Water, I see it coming out the side there.
Water?
Yep.
Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Yep, no oil in there. Yeah, this thing's gonna be heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Got a big old frame up underneath it. I guess none of that's in the way.
Right.
What is that?
Looks
That a nest?
That's what it looks like.
Oh, it's got horns.
Yeah, and a jawbone. Yeah.
That's an old deer skull.
Yeah. Oh.
How in the world that thing get up there?
Yeah, I don't know.
Unless they were, they hung it there and the tree grew, but that ain't a
Oh
very
yeah,
big.
I bet so because I can see some little strings.
Really?
Yeah, little strings that's got it tied onto it there.
That thing been there a while.
Maybe with all this noise, if that snake's under there, he'll move on.
Yeah, because this thing sounds terrifying. Sounds like a remote control car. Yeah, as bad as that hood is, I'm glad this thing ain't got any more damage than what it
yeah.
does.
Yeah, it makes you wonder what happened.
Ain't no telling. Maybe a tree fell on it.
Could have. Looks like, I was just looking at the hinges there, it looks like they're bent up too, so it probably is something that
Who knows?
bent over this way.
Try to get a jack underneath it and see if it
See if we
moves
can
any. You
Get it
think?
up a little bit anyways.
May have to get a block or something to put in there, in between it. See if I got something.
It's got some little,
Nice and hot out here.
Yep.
Probably have to get underneath the axle once we can see.
Right. Probably gonna pop because that spring is about to slide off of that board there.
Is it?
Yep. Stopped her at the edge of it.
Coming up.
Yeah.
Take that shovel and just try to dig out a little bit.
See, it's got like a rock or a brick or something right in front of it too, so I don't know if that was. Some good roots down there.
Did it turn?
Yeah, it turned, yeah.
Oh, good. That means the brakes ain't locked up. It may not. It may pull out then. You know what I mean?
Yeah. dirt up underneath there. Let me hit your fingers or nothing.
What if I turn the wheel to get it on the tire on if it'll
Yeah,
if I can?
that'll help. The roots growing in it.
Yeah, let me get a little bit higher. Yeah, if them things weren't off the bead, I'd try to air them, but I don't think it'd do us no good. No more?
A little more.
There you go. The little skinny things.
Yeah, it is.
I hate that fender's so messed up.
Yeah, that's gonna take a little more than Bondo, ain't it?
Yeah. That may be a hard one to find. Looks better.
Looks better, yeah. A little more.
A little more?
A little more. Okay. Oh, boy.
Oh, let this one roll too. I think I'm about to got the end of the jack.
I thought it was gonna.
Oh, tire will roll on the wheel.
Yeah.
Steers.
Steers, yeah. I wish I had something I could stick in there. and
Yeah, that's what I
cut.
was about to say. Let me see.
I take this, well, I hate to mess the handle up on
I
that.
bet we could do that. I'll just use it backwards.
If it bends it, we'll be able to jack around corners. Oops, that screw fell out, so don't with it.
There it goes. Like I said though, they're just tires spinning on the wheel. But when the weight's on it.
Oops, snake.
Oh gosh, yeah, there he is. He scared me.
Let me try to get him.
Yeah.
He went up under, he's going that other side.
Is he?
Yep. He's coming out over there right by the door. See him? He went into that grass right there.
Is that? That's a frog there. See, there's a frog underneath the door right here.
Oh yeah. I see that. He was headed right for that door right underneath. I could see him slithering.
That stupid frog. There he is. Oh gosh, he's big.
Yeah,
Where'd he go? He's at the, okay, he's at the back driver's wheel. Do you see him? I can't see him.
I don't know. Where was about by that back wheel? Where?
He was by the back wheel.
On the inside of it?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see. Well, praise God, we've seen him before. He's
Saw us?
yeah.
Or,
Because he could have been up inside that tire maybe, or he was definitely up in the rim.
right. Man, I wish I could see him come out. Man, I don't know. Do I move the jack back here and just be ready?
I guess, maybe.
Well, I'm thinking since they saw it here, we saw it here, this
here.
is its home. Yeah, it's here. Them boards maybe. I might even have to have something taller on this. Let me go get a bigger board, something to give us a little bit more height. wheels off into a hole there. We'll try that.
I'm gonna say I'll watch for it. If you hear a scream and a bunch of footsteps running behind you.
And a bad smell.
Yeah, you'll definitely get that. It may not even be me screaming that you hear.
It ain't even moving out of the ground yet.
Must be a heavy snake.
It's a heavy bus, that's for sure. Golly. It could be on the axle, it could be...
Up inside.
Yeah.
It could be right here. Up underneath them.
Man. It's starting to come up a little bit.
Oop, there he is.
There, is it?
Yep.
Where'd he go?
He's right in between these wheels. You can just barely see his tail right here.
I think I see his body through the wheels.
Yep, there he's moving.
Yeah, I see him. He's going up in the wheel more. I wish he'd just come out.
Let me keep digging around here, try to
Scare him.
scare him. Get him here.
There he goes, Dad. He's going on to the other side here. Come over to the other side. I think we can get him when he comes out. He's coming on the front side of that tire. I don't want to spook him back this other way.
No, he went in between them. I see him here.
Do you?
Yep, he's in between the tires. I see him slithering. See the back?
Oh yeah, I see him.
He's right up in there. I seen part of
So
his
he'll
body.
come out the back, right?
Unless unless he turns. You want to shoot him that
No,
way?
he's slowly coming. I can't see his head, Dad.
I still see his tail, so.
All right, let's see if we can shoo him out this way.
See the edge of him right there.
Yeah.
Oh, headed back the other way. Ooh, he's got a big old head on him.
Does he?
Yep.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Ow. Yep, there he
Yeah,
is.
there he is.
Yep.
Get him.
I don't know that I can get there quick enough and get up.
Man.
He's going over.
Here, I'll try again. Here you go, Dad.
He's over there by that door.
Oh, man. Ain't no telling where he went now. That's the worst spot he could have went.
He went from
Oh,
worse to
no,
worse
he's
to
looking
worse.
right at me. Golly, he went somewhere else. He's right here looking at me.
Did you get him?
No. Dude, you're making this a lot of a bigger job.
Yeah, come out here and just die.
You don't see him over
I
there?
don't see him.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, that thing got a big old head on him.
Yeah.
Playing pool here.
Oh, I see him there now.
Ah, missed it.
Oh, he's striking too.
Is he?
Yeah.
Man, I don't want to lay down on this, but You always hear if there's one, there's 10 more.
Yep.
All right, buddy. Y'all be ready to pull me out or something. Got him.
Cottonmouth.
Yep. Now, I don't think I killed him. What's the plan from here? So for those of you guys that don't know, the cottonmouth is actually among the most deadliest snakes in our area. With that being said, me and Dad were hopeful that we could possibly find this thing and get it to a different location. But after tracking it down back and forth for over 30 minutes, unfortunately, we finally lost sight of it. There he comes out that side, Dad. At this point, I think we're gonna move on to a new game plan of not trying to get under the bus and get it out of the ground. Instead, we're just gonna hook to it with my truck to hopefully be able to pull it out from where it's setting and avoid all contact with this guy again. Think it's in gear?
I bet it probably is, but I don't know.
None of us wanna go check.
Well, I don't mind doing it, but I gotta get double pay. Maybe triple.
Surprisingly, not a lot of junk in here. Ah, man, that thing is stiff. I'm gonna say I think it might be. Pretty cool in there. Looks like that little thing up there lights up.
Oh yeah? I bet it probably had things you could put different destinations or bus numbers or something like that on it maybe.
See what it does?
Yep.
I might have to give it a pretty good jerk.
I think we might take the shovels and kind of make a little ramp coming up out of it, because it gets right there where it's against it and it just really,
Yeah.
The front ones I think will come on out, but the back
Let me
ones, I
just
think-
try it again,
Okay.
because I really hate digging around underneath that thing. Anything turning or?
The front wheels are trying to come up. The back wheels look like they rotate, but you're hitting the end of that hole right about the same time. So I don't know if they're slack in the rear end, maybe enough that's letting it get there and then it's stopping, or if it's just, like I said, it's just hitting like a solid wall right there and it's just not able to get it quite up over that.
You try to dig it out, I guess.
I mean, just a little rampish maybe.
I bet it's still in gear.
It may be.
Or that brake could even be on. Well, one thing about it, there's probably no rats with that snake being there.
Probably right.
I got brakes on, Dad, but I can't get it to move. She come that time.
Yep. I stuck that shovel in there. I was going to kind of try to hold the steering wheel after you done stop, but I wish I'd thought of it beforehand. But
Oh yeah. You wanna try to get it out further this way?
yeah, I think so. If I can get this shovel off.
Did you see anything back here, or have you looked?
I didn't look, so.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, that's scary.
Yeah. Man. Fell right into that thing. Yeah, let's get this thing moved to someplace else. There's
Out
all
here where
kind
there's solid.
less booby traps. I hope he did not get up inside.
I know
this
it,
thing.
because you can see right up inside the.
I was hoping we'd see
tire.
it go out. quite a bit bigger now. It's how them holes.
Just about off that tire there.
Man.
So it probably won't hold air now.
Wow. There's no telling. There he is right there.
Oh yeah? Did we just shoo him on, or?
That joker's big.
It is big, yep. Be careful where you step. Where there's
I know
one, there's
it.
others.
I hope that's the same one.
It looks like it. That scared me. I seen that right there. The thing is, it's going right at that hood. I don't know if we're gonna plan on getting it.
No, the hood stays. The hood stays. I'm thinking we just hook the J hooks to these hooks.
Yeah, because I really don't want to. I mean, it's not too far to get underneath there, but we'll try that. If that don't work, then.
Yeah, it might just be pulling down on it a little bit, but I think it'll work. Yeah, I don't think there'd have been any way this thing would have fit on the dropping load.
Probably not.
Too wide.
Maybe fun getting it to fit on this one.
I know it. Let's see what she does. May have to hook a snatch block to it. Be careful. Don't shut the door on you. About to lose a tire.
We're going straight enough though?
Hang on, let me get this tire. I think we're about to lose a tire on the other side.
Balance out.
All right, turn back the other way.
Keep going.
Man, yeah, this is gonna be challenging. Tire's got it so low. I mean, because the tire's off, the body's so low now. I might have to get my truck and turn this way just a hair. We're a little crooked. That thing's just so wide. We're gonna have trouble clearing that door.
Yeah, because that step over there is.
I may have to start stacking some wood or something for it to climb up on.
Yeah.
We can either let it roll on the jack or...
Well, that's what I was kind of thinking. Maybe will.
It should. Leave that underneath there just for safety, huh?
Yep. Get that lock in.
Oh, man. Whew. All right, watch yourself. I don't. Turning, ain't it?
Yep.
I think it's pulling it off the jack. Boy, it's gonna have to be even higher. Ain't it?
Looks like it.
Yeah, them tires coming off kind of made that challenging. Let me look at this other side and make sure we're not. Oh, we're good over here. It's got plenty of height. We'll be close on this side, ain't we?
Yeah.
Let me go up a little bit more,
I think so.
or forward or up?
Forward. I think that'll kind of guide us if that'll.
So once we clear that, well, we'd have more height, right? But I don't know if we'll have enough room up here. We won't.
Once these back tires start up on this here, we'll have more height. But
I'm gonna have to hook to the axle because I'm about
Yep.
to run out of winch.
Yep.
Should I do that now?
I think so. Take a sec.
Ready?
Yep.
Two more feet.
That board over here is that long, and it'll get us there.
Train tracks, huh?
Train tracks, yeah.
You ready?
Yep. Okay. Okay, well,
That went too far, huh? It should unplug right here. There we go.
I don't know what we look like on the back here, but we're over the
We're only
slope.
gonna be able to go. You might get a foot.
No,
We're about to fall off, ain't we?
we're about to. We got one wheel on there fairly decent, but the other one is not.
Well, good thing we got one on decent. That's all I can say. At this point, it's gonna be hard to move. So now that we got this thing unloaded back at the shop, we wanted to dig into it a little bit deeper on this engine just to see exactly what we got and if we can possibly get this thing up and running again. Decided we'd go ahead and start with pulling these spark plugs to check down in these pistons, and now that we're able to look inside, this thing is terribly rusty. You can just see all the surface rust that's built up on that cylinder there. This one here, the piston's at the very top. More rust on that one. They're all just extremely rusty at this point, which more than likely, I mean, the hood was off this bus when we found it. There's no telling how many years this thing actually sat in the woods, just exposed to all the elements. So knowing that's the case, there's no way this engine's going to turn over until we get something setting down in those cylinders to allow it to soak, to allow it to clean up all that rust, where hopefully we can get it to turn over again. Now, we are missing our radiator. More than likely that's been stolen by somebody that's just scrapped it, because otherwise everything else appears to be complete. Now, somehow or another, we've lost our windshield on the way home, which is kind of ironic because it had all the bullet holes and rocks still in it, but it wouldn't withstand the wind. So it's laying inside there on the floor. We did find another wheel we could put on this side just to help unload it a little easier. So at this point, I guess there's really nothing left to do but to just look at this thing on the inside as careful as we can, just to see what we got inside there so that we know what we're looking at when we pick up later. As you guys can tell, that floorboard is just covered in so much junk. There's no telling what's in there. Kind of just want to give it a quick look around to be sure we don't notice anything off the bat. Now this is really cool to me. It's got little lights up here and then that piece of glass where you could have any kind of wording or something that you wanted lit up on the front. Do not extend arms from windows. Still have our driver's seat there. A little fan. No AC back in those days. And I believe that's our heater. But there's just no telling what might be up underneath all that stuff right now. These little windows right here don't open. Little handrails or something here. These are our original seats just on this side, which 1, 2, may have only had 3 rows. Guess they put a tarp up there for that side for some reason. Really not terrible though. Oh, there's our drive shaft. So we noticed we were missing our drive shaft when we were pulling this bus out. So there that is. Why it's off, I'm not sure. A couple of old gas cans here. Bar chain hole. I knew it was going to be set out in the woods. Looks like we're clear there. This old thing's creepy enough like it is, but knowing you've got snakes living in it never makes anything better. That's cool. So I believe that would have been like the heater that ran down below your feet maybe for the kids in the back. Not bad. I mean, normally these old buses are a lot dirtier on the inside when we find them. this one isn't too terrible. But yeah, at this point, I think our safest bet, just let her set for a little bit. We could probably go ahead and throw some vinegar or something down in these cylinders to allow that rust to clean up. If you guys would want to see us try to tackle on getting this thing up and running, we'll do it. But at this point, I think we're just going to put her on the back burner until we feel like all of our company has left the premises. Well guys, I have to say when I first found this old bus, I was super excited about it. Now had I known then that this thing was full of cottonmouth snakes, we might have just left her where we found her. Now we really have no idea of how long this old bus had been sitting out in the woods, but it's evident that Mother Nature has definitely taken its toll on it, including a big old dent in the passenger's fender, as well as a hood that was completely mangled. Luckily enough, we've been able to track down a parts truck that has all the front clip pieces we would need to repair that. So ultimately the question is now, where do we go from here? We've got an inline 6-cylinder engine that is completely locked up on us. We've got an interior of this bus that's full of trash and debris, and we still have the question that's haunting us is there any more snakes inside? So be sure you guys let us know in the comments if you want to see us move forward on this bus. And if for some strange reason this video takes off and gets over 1 million views, well, we'll start on it sooner than later. We hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see you on the next one.